Looking for husband. Someone special friend. Looking for husband.
I entered the Old Market from Colon Street, where a small refreshment stall greets visitors with a bright smile. The young lady behind the counter makes everyone feel welcome, while locals joke she's single and looking for a husband. It's a light, human moment, a reminder that this market isn't just about trade, but about people and everyday life in Dumaguete.
Right beside the campanario, narrow entrance leads into the market. Some stalls are closed for renovation, a hint of change, before the path winds deeper into the rustic core of the old market. Inside, time seems to move slower.
Buntag.
Are you a blogger?
Yeah.
Philippine style sa ito ako yung day. At naman yung natakot ko eh. Maraming admirer eh. Dahukan ka tinig. Ako ka mabiral ani. Madam, what's up, Rosa? Sa pachap? Okay. Hello.
Okay? Wow. Inside.
Just a few steps further, narrow alleys turn into improvised shops, ready-to-wear clothing, second-hand shoes, and small repair stalls. Every corner tells a story of survival and resourcefulness. Nothing looks perfect, yet everything has its purpose. The colors begin to change, bright yellows and reds from ripe bananas and mangoes. Peanut vendors roast, grind, and pack their produce right here, turning simple nuts into creamy peanut butter. It's a scene that smells as rich as it looks.
Hello.
At the far end, the coconut vendors work without pause. Some sell young coconuts, their water and soft meat, refreshing treat against the tropical heat.
The birds. Laro yung mga birds, oh. The birds.
Ulo makuha.
Video ay birds. Video ay ano.
Kaya na Amerika ha, Hong Kong, Taiwan.
Samok ra na ay. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay na ako pwede kuhan. No, yusban pa yusban. Okay na.
Smile. Smile ba? Smile.
Like that. Yep.
Yummy, yummy.
Yum. Jauh, jauh. Okay, anak jauh.
Others trade in mature, brown coconuts. They grate the hard flesh with electric tools, pack it in plastic bags, and hand it to customers who will later make fresh coconut milk at home. Tradition, still alive in every motion. Outside, the nose returns, jeepneys and multicabs line up for passengers heading to Dawin and nearby towns. The street is crowded, noisy, alive. For many, this corner of Dumaguete is the start and end of every day.
The Old Market is more than just a building. It's a place of stories, faces, and flavors, a living memory of the city. Soon, maybe the walls will change, but the spirit of Dumaguete will remain.
What's on your mind?